Hello students, today we are going to learn about nature of light. In nature of light, there are many hypotheses and theories. And first theory was Newton corpuscular theory. In this theory, first point he assumed that the light is emitted in the form of tiny particle, and he named this tiny particle as corpuscles. And second point is light always, these corpuscles always travel in straight line, and he assumed that the velocity of light in denser is higher than rear. And fourth point about this theory is different color of light is due to different inside of corpuscles. Okay, there were the 4 points you must include to describe about Newton corpuscular theory. And second theory was about Heisenberg's wave theory. In this theory, he said that actually light is not emitted in the form of particle, but light is a form of wave. Light is a form of wave. And second point is it requires medium to travel, and he assumed that there is universally presented material or medium which is known as ether medium. Okay, you can include it if you want. And third thing is that velocity of light in rear is greater than denser. Okay, these are the 3 points you must include. And in third, there is new theory propounded that is known as electromagnetic theory of light. In this theory, first point was light do not require any medium to travel. Require any medium to travel. I.e., light is transverse wave. Transverse wave do not require any medium. Okay. So from electromagnetic theory, it was shown that light is actually a transverse wave, but Heisenberg say light is a longitudinal wave. Okay, you can differentiate it too, and it do not require any medium to travel. And the second point is light show electric and magnetic properties. Light have electric and magnetic property. Electric and magnetic property. And third one is property. And the point is, there is electric and magnetic field present in light, and electric field is perpendicular to the magnetic field, and both are perpendicular to the propagation of light. Field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and perpendicular with propagation of light. Light is electromagnetic in nature. Light is electromagnetic in nature. They are the 4 points you must include. And look, I want to show figure how light actually behave like. If this is magnetic field, then perpendicular to this will be electric field. If this is electric field, this will be magnetic field. If this is electric field, this will be magnetic field. And this is, look, this is propagation of light, perpendicular, and this is also perpendicular. Propagation of, it means like this, perpendicular, perpendicular, perpendicular. Okay? This is the propagation of light. This is magnetic field, this is electric field, and this is propagation of light. And last but not the least, here comes an quantum theory. It was given by Sir Einstein, and in this theory, light travel in a form of packet of energy. Packet of energy known as quanta or photon. And second point is the frequency of photon. The energy of photon is directly proportional to the frequency mu. Okay, actually mu. E is equal to h mu, where h is Planck constant. There are 4 theory which describing the nature of light. In next session, we will study about wave front and wavelets and different wave fronts and application of Einstein principle. Thank you.